Hold on just a second. All right, sorry about that. Good morning or good afternoon. This is Miss Jonovich. I we're going to be starting with this one. You're starting with number 14. So you need to go to find pencil code intro. Start here. You need to find that particular slideshow, and you should go to Google Classroom and look for it that way. It should be in there. Um, what I'm going to do is I made two screens. And so you should have the previous engineering notebook, one that you did with the, um, you did it in the comment section, or the, it's not comment, what is it called? Stream. Your stream. You should have done that already. Okay, so we are going to start on, let's see, we were going to start down here on 14 with that one. Okay, now this is from a different class, so if you'll just excuse me a minute, I will put in here. This is going to be um, talking about every pencil, talking about pencil code, and then we're going to be talking about um, as a web page. Now, there's going to be more that we're going to be adding this as we go. So this is pencil code web page, and then we'll go to the next slide, and then this is as a web page, and let's see, this is still pencil code as a web page, and this is pencil code as a web page. Okay, so that's where we're going to stop. Is we're going to stop at 17. So we're going to go from let's see, we start at 14, 15, 16, and 17. So you'll do all the way up to there, and then you're going to have another slide. Um, we'll do it again. You're going to have to do two things. It's going to be different than the other classes. They're going to have to do on your new pencil code web page, and then this one is going to be right here. Let me get this one up where it goes. Okay, this goes up here. Let me move this up just a little. Okay, and then this was going to be this will change the dates on here. This is going to do, let's see, 16, let's see, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday is 14, 15, 16, 17. So this will be the 17th of 20. And this is going to be web page. And if we start here, we'll go to the next one. And the next one is programming language. Programming. Okay, why is it not doing it? Okay, wait a minute. Web page. And then we're going to do programming language. Okay, so we're doing both of those. So in here, instead of putting web page here, you're going to put 917. That's a date for 7th. It's the same day for both of these two classes. So we're going to have the date for 7th period and 8th period. Okay, it's the same date. All right, perfect. Okay, so we're here on the 14th. We're going to go now to the 15th. So we'll click on that one. And our challenge is not going to be that one because that's from a different class. What is our challenge? Our challenge is to understand and um, to understand web pages and programming language. All right. So we got that to understand web pages and programming language. We're going there. All right. So that's our challenge. And so my next one says, so I'm going to 16. Okay, this right here is research the idea or the challenge. Well, the research is going to be done on our um, not our PowerPoint. I always want to say PowerPoint, Google Slides. So we will read slides 14 through, let's find the last one of this. Programming language, yep. Okay. Okay. 13 through, or 14 through 20. 14 through 20. Okay, let's go ahead and click here. 14 through 20. We will read slides 14 through 20 and do all, oops, do all that is asked of us in pencil code. So, should I at the beginning get pencil code up too? Yeah, sure. All right, so you could put pencil code over here if you want, or you could put pencil code on this side. My choice probably would be to put pencil code over here. So let's go ahead and put pencilcode.net, and then you need to sign in. Log in. Whoop. Oh, this is one is TechMaestro 62, and then my I think that's it. Oh, that's the wrong password. So hold on a minute. I have to find my password. All right, I know the password now. I had to look it up real quick. Let me get rid of all of this. All right. Sure. All right. So now we're logging in. There I go. I'm logged in. All right. So you will you go to that one there. Okay, you see where I went there? All right, so you're going to have both of these right across from each other. So you're going to go back here. So you'll read slides 14 through 20 and do all that is asked in pencil code. So let's go back up here to our 15, slide 15. And let's, after this, what is the challenge? Open up pencil.net and sign in. Okay, we got that. All right, 16, our next slide, come on, is we will read slides 14 through 20 and do all that is asked of us in pencil code. All right, we got that done. So if we do all of this stuff, and also there's a place for vocabulary. Okay, so in this video, we're going to go down here to 19, down on the bottom, and you're going to highlight it. So I clicked on it to highlight it. I'm going to right click on it, and I'm going to make a new slide. And then in my new slide, I'm going to call this one vocabulary. So now, is every single time vocabulary needed? Not always. All right, so my vocabulary, let's go back up here, and we're going to go to 14. And so we're going to find out, let's see, do we have anything on that one? No. Let's look on the next slide. Is there any vocabulary there? No. So on 15, okay, we could do, we have the output, but we don't need to necessarily put that down. Open window, yes, I want you to do that. We're going to use that as our first vocabulary word. Number one is open window. So you're going to put down now what that means right there. Okay, in the slide, and then it'll be to turn it in. Okay, and then let's look at 17. I don't see any there you're going to need. I don't see a lot in there either. Um, let's look at the next slide. Okay. And so, what is programming language? Okay, so that's going to be a question that you're going to be asked. So, you're going to go back up to, let's see, to our challenge, and that's going to be another question we're going to be asked. So, go back up to 15, and you want to go to the end of language, and you want to put up here and ask this question: what is a, what is a, come on, oh my goodness. What is a web page, comma, and what is a programming language? So there's going to be two questions you're going to be asked. So that's part of the challenge. What is the page and what is programming language? All right. So we're setting this up, remember? All right. So we're going to go down here and we're going to read our 14 through 20, our slides. And as we're reading, we're going to do all that is asked of us. Anything that's asked of you, do it. And oh, I know what I want to do in here. So let's go. So here on the come on, darn it, number 3. This is where anything that you're asked to do from slide 2, I would like you to put in here. I would like to have you do screenshots. All right, so screenshots of anything that you are asked to do in pencil code in the pencil code slides 14 through 20 and put the screen shots here. If you need additional slides, then please duplicate this one, or you can add more in yourself. Now I'm asking you to type all this stuff that I'm typing here too. All right. So in here, I should have screenshots. That's the brainstorming. Okay. That's where you put your screenshots from the things you've done. All right. Let's go to 18. Slide 18. Okay. Slide 18. Post-it sticky notes. And how did the build go? How did the test of the object are we building? There's really not much we're going to put in here. So you're going to put in here instead. You're just going to put in here NA. So we're going to go N/A, and then I'm going to have you, I'm going to go like that and highlight it. And then we're going to make this NA. We're going to just use this little tool up here, and we're going to make this NA big, like at probably 72 or bigger. Oh, look at that. We're just going to keep going until this NA is so big. Okay, let's do it NA to 100. All right, so put the NA at 100. All right, so let's go to the next slide. Okay, slide 19. Okay, it's my internet is running real slow. All right, so the summary is going to be what did you work, what worked, or what did I learn today? So what worked would be did everything you did and did the screenshots and where you put screenshots in, did it do what it was supposed to do, what the slide asked you to do? Did it work? Did it work? You say yes. And then what did you learn about that today? What did you, if you learned more new vocabulary, you learned something about programming language, what it was, this is the place where you put all that information. That's how you answer the questions from the one up in 15. Okay, so that's where you would answer those questions. All right, now here's more vocabulary. Let's look. There's one more. Okay, let's look here. Open window, and then we want to put down here programming languages. Okay, and then the third vocabulary is going to be, the final one is going to be syntax. All right, so if you look, the vocabulary words are always, most of the time, they're they're in this red, this blue looking here, or they're sometimes italicized. In other words, they don't look like the normal stuff here. For. That word is for. Whoops. FOR. All right. So if you look here, programming language, the answer is right in there somewhere if you'll look on this slide. So, okay. All right. I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to put a. All right. So that's how you do that. And I hope that you will go back and forth. You can put everything that you're supposed to be doing, do it in here, and then take a screenshot. Remember how to take a screenshot? We opened it up. Okay, let's make this one run the program. And once the program is done, that's when you take the screenshot. So you can hold the Windows button down, find the PRTSC button, click on that. Then you go to your Windows button, left, right click, File Explorer, open it up. You're going to go to your pictures. You're going to go down to your screenshots, and you're going to go to the top screenshot. And we're going to, well, we don't necessarily have to open it, but there's your screenshot. Okay. So that's where you would find your screenshot. So in other words, we'll go back to our engineering thing here. Going to go to your engineering one. And where are we going to put our screenshots? We're going to put it in number 3, right? Number 3. That's our brainstorming area. Okay, so that's what it asks us to do. So we're going to go here to insert. And then we're going to go to image. And then you're going to, I believe you go to photo. No, you would go to upload from your computer. And then you go to pictures, screenshots, and this, whoa, let's see. This is the one I want down here because you want to look for your date. Make sure you're looking on the date that you were doing it. We're going to click that. We're going to open it up, and it puts it big in there. So you're going to have to make it smaller by using the little handles on the sides. Okay. And then you're going to put that screenshot there. And you can get rid of all this stuff right here. You can get rid of this information. When you're putting your screenshots in, you can get rid of all that information. You just get rid of it because that's only telling you what you're supposed to be doing. All right, so brainstorming ideas to meet the challenge. All right, so you'll get rid of all that and you'll put your screenshots in there of everything that you've done from 14 to 20. All right. I hope there's enough information in here for you to do this. So this is pencil code for both the 7th hour and the 8th hour. If you need help, please email me as quick as you can. I will do my best. I will even try to get online with you, going to the Google Meet and using Jonovich as my nickname. And LJONOVICH@balts.org is my email. And I would so appreciate it if you did that. And I thank you. And make sure that when you finish, that you go back to your Google Classroom and you find the date, which is going to be for you guys, is going to be Tuesday, September 15th. Okay, and that's for 7th. And if I go over here, and if I was to go to 8th period, I think 8th period, don't have it yet, maybe. Let me see. Classwork. Yeah, it would, I need to go in here, and then I'm going to reuse the post from the other one, and I'll put it in here real quick. You'll see how that I do that. Okay, so I'm going to reuse. Where is the post? Huh, I didn't put it in there. Okay, well, I'll have to figure it out. But anyway, it'll say here at the top, it'll say Tuesday or Thursday, Friday. I'm not sure. I need to go back over here to the STEM 7. Go in here. I think it's Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday, September 15th. And that's where the information will be put, and that's where that one will go. All right, because this is not in there, that's why I can't create and do the other thing. So, anyway, here it is, Tuesday, September 15th. This is what you're supposed to do for STEM for Class 7 and Class 8, 7th and 8th period. Thank you. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.